Hey everyone, if you're saying the tax ledger is not specified error in Tally Prime while preparing GSTR 3B, it usually means there is a mismatch or missing detail in the tax configuration of your vouchers. Tally flags such entries under the uncertain transactions or correction needed section in the GST 3B report. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step to fix it. Let's open the GST 3B report. Drill down into the mismatch or incomplete information section. In the uncertain resolution screen, look for the exception called tax rate, tax type not specified. Select this and press enter. You will now see a list of transactions where tax details are missing. For each voucher, select the correct nature of transaction. If it hasn't been defined, enter the appropriate tax rate and type SGST, CGST, IGST or UTGST depending on the nature of the sale or purchase. After entering the required details, press Ctrl+A to save. If a transaction shouldn't be included in the return, press Alt+H to exclude it from the GST 3B report. Once all exceptions are corrected, the entries will automatically move to the included in return section. This ensures your tax data is complete and compliant, preventing errors when exporting or filling your return. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this.